Have you ever wondered, I mean, for me, it's happened a lot of times where you look at images and you just feel like you want to see how that was created. Like you look at some things and you just want to be behind the scenes. You just want to be there. Like I said, like I watch movies, and some of these movies that you see, or you sometimes you just feel like, oh my God, how did they pull this off? Like I just wish I could be there, not doing anything, just watching and observing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been having fun. I'm sure you guys have been having fun. So in today's video, I'm going to give you that perspective, behind the scenes, almost like you were there when I was making this happen. So on today's project is a project that I worked on a while ago, and it was a lovely, interesting project that I got to work with a lot of interesting creative artists. And yeah, so I want to take you guys behind the scenes and show you every single thing that I did to make the images that I made. And yeah, I'm sure it's going to be a lovely, awesome, beautiful, interesting journey. So on this project, I collaborated with a couple of creative artists where we created this very interesting Afrocentric raw original work. And what we wanted to do was to merge our art together. We wanted to bring some of the ideas that Idera had as a stylist and a creative artist, and also Lambert's workshop. And it was one of the most interesting experiences I've had, in the sense that I could see an artist who was very true to his art. So we first of all had to go and do something you would call a recce. A recce is like when you check out a location and check out all the angles, if it works for what you're trying to do, and even get the ideas and even get inspired by the space. So we went to Lambert's workshop, where he actually creates a lot of his work, and it was just phenomenal. We could see a lot of his woodwork that he was creating, and the interesting part about a lot of this woodwork was that his style was that he wouldn't even join pieces of wood together with nails or whatever. So it's how the wood came, like how the log came, he would create the art out of it. So from chairs to fixtures, light fixtures to decorations, to a lot of art. Well, it was so interesting. So his workshop is filled with so much work, so much activity going on. So we decided to go there and check out everything literally going on, and see how we can use some of these angles to actually create some work. So first up we did was recce. We went to check out the location. We discussed all the activity, everything that we can do, the locations we can use, the spaces, parts of it, how we would light it, how I would construct the set and all of that. Recce's one of my favorite times. You just get to see your environment without so much pressure. You're just enjoying that time. And yeah, it was a very interesting experience. I feel like maybe aside from the shoot day, I feel the recce for meeting up with Lambert was one of my favorite times or parts of this projects that we did actually. So there's something called pre-production. It's almost like, it's basically, the production is when you actually come to do your shoot. So in the pre-production stage, this is where we're doing a lot of planning. We're trying to discuss, we're trying to see and know what we want to do before we come there. We don't want to be confused because we're actually shooting a lot of looks actually. And yeah, so we had to like take time to, plan out every single thing as much as possible. Okay, so it's shoot day. Now this is after we've decided who we want to work with, after we've decided our location, after we've decided the outfits and how they're going to look and how many outfits are we going to be shooting and where we're going to be shooting them. After deciding so many things, the makeup artists and the styles they're going to be giving us, that we're going to be working with, the hairstylists, a lot of people, like after deciding all of these things, it's shoot day. Shoot day, finally. So finally we're here and we have all the models in, doing makeup, touching their faces, getting their hair done. And Idera is also here, setting up some of the styles that we've prepared for them and seeing how they look and preparing them for that. So I popped in to see what was going on, to make sure everybody, and everything is going exactly as we planned it. And I then decided to head out to the location and actually even do some planning there as well. So I decided to work directly with Lambert, where we, we put together and I discussed and I shared some of the angles and the ideas I was going to come with, and we decided to move some things around, some pieces and some logs, to actually create some sets and some environments that we can actually even use aside from shooting some of the raw environments within his workshop. So the shoot day came with a lot of fun, so I'm just going to show you guys and we're just going to jump right straight into it. So I hope you guys had fun watching that. If there's anything you feel I left out or you wanted to talk about, or any questions you have regarding the video, please let me know in the comments below. And also there's a link in the description to everybody that I worked with, very amazing people. So yeah, you can connect with them as well. So I hope you guys had fun. See you in the next one. Bye. Ciao.